Hello, in this video, we present the data exchange process between the Progress IMS Claims Manager system and the HU Carep module. The Carep module enables insurance companies and repair centers to transfer data, manage it conveniently, and monitor it in real time. Let's take a detailed look at how these modules work. Data transfer begins from the Claims Manager's Assessment module. The operation of the Assessment module has been explained in the video above. First, let's navigate to the Assessment module. There, on the Current Jobs page, we select one of the agreed-upon repair tasks for the customer's vehicle. Since all other operations for this job are already recorded, we click the Send to Carep button. In the window that appears, we choose the repair center to which we will send the vehicle and click Next. At this stage, the photos taken by the accident commissioner will appear. Select the desired photos and tap Publish. The job order is then automatically transferred to the Carep module. Note that all processes carried out at the repair center are managed through the Carep module. To see how repair center operations are tracked, please refer to the video tutorial above. Now let's open the published job order. On the page that opens, you will see all vehicle and customer information, handover photos, and the current status. To allow the customer to track repair progress online, a special SMS link can be sent. Through this link, the customer can access all repair stages, the current status of the work, and other important information. Next, let's look at the Proposals section. Here you will find the estimates sent by the repair center to the insurer's responsible officer. Multiple proposals can be submitted at once. Each proposal shows the initial report and the estimated repair duration. By clicking the Decision button, you can review or download the report prepared by the repair center. When you select one proposal, enter the agreed amount, and choose the Confirm status, all other proposals are automatically declined. The next stage covers the repair steps. The repair center staff record all repair stages in the system. Photos are uploaded for each stage. Insurance company staff have no actions to perform in this section. After the repair processes are complete, we move to Final Report and Confirmation. Here you can see the final report and total amount prepared by the repair center. Once all stages are successfully completed, the insurance company representative confirms the job order, concluding the process. Note that statuses update automatically throughout all operations. Both the insurers and repair center staff receive email notifications at each stage. In this way, the HU Carep module ensures transparent, fast, and effective data exchange between insurance companies and repair centers, facilitating efficient management and improving customer satisfaction. Thank you for your attention.